What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Brad here, and today I'm going to talk about something that you probably don't think about, and that's your air filter. Now, a lot of people don't like working on their own vehicles. They'll say, oh, I don't know how, or I just don't feel like it. But it's not that hard, and I'm going to show you how to do it and save you a little bit of money. If you take your vehicle to an auto service shop, a lot of those guys work on commission. So a quick air filter recommendation is a couple extra bucks on their paycheck. So of course they're going to recommend it, even if you don't need it. So let's jump over here and I'm going to show you a dirty filter and how easy it is to change this and save you some money. All right, so we're going to jump right into the engine bay. Here's our air filter, and all we have to do is loosen this one screw. Once you get it loose, you should be able to slide your air filter off. Pull it out of the way. Then we just grab our new filter. We'll drop it down in here. Get that thing slid up there nice and snug. All right. And then just tighten up our screw. And just like that, you saved yourself some money. Your truck's breathing great, and you're ready to go.